Friends, we are so happy that you are here with us. Today we will show you how to post the full picture and photos to your profile on Instagram. So if this topic is interesting, let's go to the watching. And unfortunately, I need to say that we don't have the needful special options in the gallery and photos apps because we need to choose the needful scale for our Instagram to save photos in the full mode. But we can download some additional photo applications, editors for this process. And I really like the Polish one, which I have here. As you can check, the Instagram application and Polish have really very similar colors and icons, so you can without any troubles find this app in the App Store or Play Store, because this application is also free to download. So if you like it, let's go to the watching. Also, if you have another photo editor, you can watch this video to the very end to compare my features, my options with yours, and find the same one on your phone. So if this topic is interesting for you, you really need to watch this video to the very end. So let's tap on our newly saved, newly downloaded app, Polish, and pick on the create button we have on the center of the screen to select some photos, to select some picture we want to upload to our profile, and I will tap on this cat. Okay, so right now we have the selected photo, and I need to choose the fade option at the bottom bar of the screen. You can, as I said before, find this similar options on your application, and as you can check, we have a lot of different options, a lot of different scales to use the needful mode to post our photos. As an example, here we have the IG option, which means that Instagram post. The first one is for post, the second one is also for posts, and also we have for stories. Later, if you will swipe the menu to the left side, we can also find the options, the scales for Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Twitter, etc. So I will stop my choice in the first option. Don't forget that you can also cut and crop the selected photo, managing its location and place on the screen. So I will choose the center as the location of my photo, and I will save it in this way. Also, in this app, I can manage the background, so I can blur it, and or I can choose the monochrome color. As an example, the background one. I will stop my choice on blur. Also, I can correct the location of my photo using the buttons here, at the top, at the bottom, right, left, etc. But as I said before, I want to choose the central. Okay, so right now when I managed my photo, I can tap on the check mark at the bottom, at the top screen, and save changes. Also, I can, if I want to use the feed option again, to create some mirror effect here. I think it's really very cute, but I don't want to save it in this way. I just want to save it in this mode, in this scale, in this size. So let's tap on the save option at the at the top of the screen too, and wait a minute, please. Also, we have the advertisement, but I will pick on the cross to disable it. And right now, let's go to the Photos app to check the result. I have it here. And the last option, the last picture, is my newly created photo. So let's go to our profile to post a new image to make our profile more interesting. So let's pick on the on the plus icon on our profile page and choose post option. Okay, so this is my last feature, and as you can check, I have my newly created photo in the full mode. It's not cropped, it's not changed, because I have selected the needful size for it in the app. It's an amazing feature because right now you can control the size and the look of your photos and your images. Let's pick on the next and on the next again. I will add some caption like hello, and let's click on the OK and share. Wait a minute please before the uploading, and let's check the result after going to our profile. So we have our newly created picture here, and it's really very cute that you can also manage the background of this photo, making it monochrome or blur one. So guys, if this video was interesting and needful, don't forget about the likes. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out later more interesting guides and instructions of Instagram and other social media. So bye bye.